Hello friends, today we will discuss Tobin Q's theory. Tobin's Q theory was developed by economist James Tobin in 1969. It is a framework used to explain investment behavior in firms by comparing the market value of a company to the replacement cost of its assets. It provides insight into whether a firm is overvalued or undervalued and guides decisions on capital investment. So, key concepts of this theory are Tobin's Q ratio. It is defined as the market value of a firm or its assets divided by the replacement cost of its asset. Market value is typically the value of a firm's equity and debt. For example, stock market valuation for publicly traded companies. Replacement cost is the cost to replace the firm's asset at current prices. For example, cost to rebuild factories, replace equipment, etc. So its interpretation is like this: when Q is greater than 1, the market value exceeds the replacement cost, suggesting the firm is overvalued. This incentivizes investment as it's cheaper to buy new assets than to purchase existing firms at their inflated market value. Q is less than 1. The market value is less than the replacement cost, indicating the firm is undervalued. Firms may reduce investment since it's more expensive to replace assets than their market worth suggests. When Q is equal to 1, the market value equals the replacement cost, implying equilibrium where investment is neither encouraged nor discouraged. The theory posits that firms base their investment decision on the Q ratio. When Q is high, firms are motivated to invest in new capital. For example, on machineries factories, because the market values their assets highly relative to the cost of acquiring new ones. When Q is low, firms are less likely to invest as the cost of new assets outweighs their market valuation, potentially leading to divestment or buybacks of their own stocks. Implications: investment decisions. Firms use Q as a signal for allocating capital. High Q ratios encourage expansion, while low Q ratios may lead to reduced investment or restructuring. Market efficiency. Tobin's Q assumes markets reflect the future profitability of firms, influencing investment through market signals. Economic policy. Policymakers can use Q to gauge investment trends across industries as it reflects expectations about future economic conditions. This theory is applied in corporate finance, where firms use Q to decide whether to invest in new projects or acquire the existing assets. It is used in macroeconomics to analyze aggregate investment behavior and economic cycles. Stock market analysis. Investors use Q to identify overvalued or undervalued companies.